Choosing a retirement plan is a great step toward financial security. There are several types available, but here are the most common. 401ks and 403bs are plans offered by employers. 401ks are offered by for-profit companies, and 403bs are offered by public schools and some nonprofit organizations. Contributions are deducted from your paycheck and are often matched by employers. They're deducted pre-tax, grow tax deferred, and are taxable on withdrawal. Traditional IRAs, or individual retirement accounts, are opened by individuals through an investment firm or bank. They may be tax deductible, grow tax deferred, and you pay taxes when you take the money out. A simple IRA plan is similar to a traditional IRA, but these accounts are set up by a small business owner and usually permit larger contribution amounts. And lastly, when you open a Roth IRA, you contribute after-tax dollars. The money grows tax-free, and you pay no tax on withdrawals. All these types of accounts have their own set of rules on eligibility, contribution amounts, and withdrawals. For more information on retirement plans, give us a call today or visit our website.